In this video, I am going to show you how you can hack Windows 7 64-bit using EternalBlue exploit. So let's start our session. So first of all, you have to use this exploit and you need to start your MSF console first. And here is my target machine, that is Windows 7. It is built on Windows 7 Service Pack 1. You can check here. Windows 7 2009 made Service Pack 1, and it is 64-bit. I have done a fresh installation. Window firewall is by default off. And here my Metasploit is ready. So first of all, you have to use this exploit, use exploit /windows/smb/ms1710 EternalBlue. So after this, you need to go check the information of this exploit using the info command. So this exploit is provided by shadow brokers. It has been stolen from NSA, National Security Agency, and it may cause blue screen of death or reboot after it is successfully implemented on the target system. So now we will check the option, the conditions that are required to satisfy. So you can see here in the remote port, in the module option section, in the remote port, 445 port number need to be open on the target system. And architecture should be 64-bit. And as we have already seen on the target machine, it was 64-bit. Now we will check whether 445 port number is open or not. So use this command db_nmap and the target system IP. So the target system IP, you can check here with the IP config command. So 1.3 is the target IP. So type here the IP. So it has performed the check and it is showing you nmap 445 port number is open. It means we can execute our exploit. So type here set rhost and the remote system IP. That is 1.3 in my case, and type run. So it automatically will exploit the target system using the SMB protocol, and it will take some time. Once it is successfully open, the Metasploit session will open in front of you, where you don't need any kind of application to get into the system. You can get through this exploit EternalBlue, which works on any Windows 7 version. It need to only be 64-bit, and all Windows 2008 version are also susceptible to this exploit. So now we will get the admin privileges of the system using the getsystem command. So now you can take the help. You can do anything, like you want to dump the hashes, like you want to play some audio, or you can record the mic on the target system. You can screenshot, you can screen share, you can disable or enable keyboard or mouse. So for this practical, I am going to use only this command, sysinfo, as I have covered many commands in my previous video. You can check in my channel. Sysinfo tells us it is Windows 7 6.1-bit Service Pack 1 and architecture is 64-bit. So in this way, you can exploit Windows 7 64-bit using EternalBlue exploit. Thanks for watching.